Hello and welcome to my channel I Know Gadgets. Today, I'm going to be reviewing eyeglasses 2.0, the new generation of rimless magnetic titanium glasses. This new product offers 3 style choices and provides 5-in-1 functions, including sunglasses, near-farsighted glasses, night glasses, 3D glasses, and photochromic lenses with anti-blue light. The titanium alloy for the middle beam and eyeglass legs is lightweight, durable, and resistant to deformation. It also helps to reduce eye strain and fatigue from prolonged exposure to blue light. You can upgrade your lenses to 1.61, 1.67, and 1.74 anti-blue light lenses at an extra cost. In addition, you can also choose TASI polarized sunglasses. The travel set case also makes it easy to store your glasses and protect them from scratches. Eyeglasses 2.0 offers high-end products at a fraction of the cost of store prices, so it's definitely worth checking out. Check out the link to buy in the description below. Thanks for watching.